Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will build a circuit that lights an LED when it is sufficiently dark in a room. With the help of we will do experiment with the help of Tinkercad Virtual. Okay, and for this experiment we need a photoresistor, a resistor, and a LED, and one more resistor of 250 ohm, and when this resistor is also of 250 ohm. Okay, and Arduino UNO board. Okay, I have connected the first end of the photoresistor to the power supply and represented by the red wire. Okay, and I have connected the second terminal of the resistor to the ground, and I have represented with it black wire. And I have taken the input of the photoresistor. As we know that it is a sensor and we need input from it to the Arduino. Then I have used a green wire for the input, and I have inputted in the A0 pin. Okay, let's start our simulation first, then I will explain all the things clearly. I am starting the simulation. You notice that initially the light glows, but how? There is a question arise, but how? Suddenly light glows, why? Okay, then we go to the photoresistor and we see that it is a dimmer in the room. And as we have increases the brightness of the surrounding or the room, then the LED will turn off. Okay, let's see. If in the room there is a sufficient brightness, then LED is off, and if we want dimmer the room, then see what will happen. No, it is not glowing. No, the LED is not glowing. No, the LED is not glowing. No, the yes, the LED start glows. But how? Because at a certain level of the brightness in the room, the LED start glowing. Okay, and we can adjust this level of intensity or the brightness uh, by our own. Okay, let's see what to our code what I have written. Okay, you have understood that when there is a when the surrounding of the brightness of the surrounding is dimmer, then the LED becomes start glowing automatically. This is how the photoresistor and LED works. Okay, I am stopping the simulation. Then let's come to the code. In the void setup function, I have mentioned two pin mode. One is of output. At the pin 13, I have connected the LED part, and on the A0 pin, I have taken an input of the photoresistor. Okay, in the white loop, I have declared a brightness name variable, and I have assigned it to the analog read A0, which means I have taken the input from the sensor to the and give to the A0 pin, which and brightness will be assigned to the voltage value given by the photoresistor. Okay, if the brightness is less than 150, then the LED blows up. Okay, make the LED 13 pin, make the LED high. Okay, which means blow, it start glowing, and else turn off the LED. If the brightness of the room is not not less than or greater than 150, then the LED automatically turn off. Okay, what is did you notice why I have mentioned brightness is lesser than 150? And this is our constituency, don't confuse it. You can convert it to 150, can be converted into 50 also. It depends on the intensity of the surrounding. Okay, and I have taken a certain criteria that at the particular intensity of the room, at the particular brightness of the room, these LEDs start glowing. Okay, you can change it, and let's see you all. Okay, that's all. Thank you.